I'm Sandhya Sharma from Journalism and Mass Communication Department. Today, we talk about advertising. Meaning of advertising. It has originated from Latin word adver, which means to turn the mind towards. Dictionary meaning of the term is to give public notice or to announce publicity. In general, advertisement is a medium of impersonal sales efforts. It is a technique of popularizing one's product or services. Definition of advertising. Any paid form of non personal presentation or promotion of ideas, goods, or services by an identified sponsor, which is said by American Marketing Association. The another definition of advertising is mass communication of information intended to persuade buyers so as to maximize profits. Features of advertising, paid form of communication. Advertisers play the amount of newspaper, magazine, televisions, radio, etc. to purchase the space or time to communicate with the prospective customers. Non-personal presentation of message does not come face to face. It is read, seen, or listened by the customers. Promotion of products. The purpose of the product is to promote the product or services in order to increase the sales of product or services. Sponsored by identified person. These are sponsored by identified person. It should disclose or identify the source of opinions and ideas it presents. Objectives and functions of advertising. The first one is promotion of sales. In promotion of sales, advertising is undertaken to create demand of new and existing products and services. It informs people about the new product and persuading them to go for particular products. And effective advertising will help in attracting more and more customers. The second one is educate people about product. Advertisement not only promote products, but they also educate people about their proper use. Products may sometimes be put to some alternative uses or some additional uses. This is brought to the notice of public and it may switch more customers. The third one is introduction of new product. Whenever a new product is introduced in the market, it must be brought to the notice of the public through advertisement. A new product cannot make an impact in the mind of the customers without the help of advertising. Advertisements are helpful in quick publicity of products. Fourth one is overcome competition. Every product is facing not only national but also international competition. In order to survive in competition, the good features of the product should be brought to the notice of the public. So, advertisement will help in overcoming competition from other products. The fifth one is mass production. Large scale production will be possible only if they are in a market for the products. Product market can be possible if the product is widely advertised. Mass production will help in reducing production through economics in various expenses. So, advertising is required if production is to be increased. Sixth one is research and development. Advertising stimulates research and development activities. In the prevailing competitive environment, every producer has to differentiate its products from alternative substitute products available in the market. There will be possible only if regular research is undertaken on the product and attracting more customers for the same. Now we talk about importance of advertising. Advantages of manufacturer. The first point is create demand for new product, increases the sales and profits, creates goodwill, creates strategy demand, facilitate quick turnover of goods, reduce cost of production, reduce cost of distribution, increases labor productivity. Advantages to customers, advantages to consumers, increase personal satisfaction, better standard of living. It helps in reducing the prices, increases the utility of commodities, saves customers, sorry, save consumers time, encourage, save consumers time, ensures good quality of products, consumers cannot be cheated, promotes the consumers to work hard and earn more. Advantages to salesman, creates proper base for the salesman, educates salesman and increase their confidence and capacity, simplifies work, reduce the efforts, increases the recommendations. Advantages to the society, uplifts the standard of living, generates gainful employment opportunities, provides new horizons of knowledge, provides a regular source of income to newspapers, transforms culture of a nation, act as the barometer of a nation's economic growth. Limitations of advertising, increases the price of the product or services as advertisement cost is included in product cost. It has been said that every advertisement is a nail in the customer's coffin. It misleads people and acts as an instrument of cheating, sometimes concealing of facts to include the buyers to buy inferior products. It creates and breeds monopolies. It creates brand performance which make customers seers slaves for such brands, resulting in creation of monopolies. It, it enables manufacturer to exploit customers, become difficult for new firm to sell their product which kill the competition. Sheer waste of resources. Wastage of resources as most of advertisements are ignored, does not create new demand but only shift demands from one product to another. Half used and old articles are often rejected. Produce a society of greedy, self centered people. People forget moral and social values. It multiplies the needs of the people, encourages extra extravagance, and creates dist- sorry and creates dis and create dissatisfaction, creates dissatisfaction and frustrations. People may not hesitate to fill their demand through corrupt practices. It encourage it encourages vulgarity. It encourages vulgarity, stupidity, and base taste. Advertisements are full of sex appeal, vulgarity, and stupidity, which exploits the emotion of the people. Advertising media. The term media refers to the means through which the advertising information is communicated by the advertiser to the persuasive customers. It may be classified under two categories: direct advertising and indirect advertising. If we talk about direct advertising, it aims at reaching directly the no prospective and is done through direct mail advertising. In indirect advertising, under under this, public is indirectly approached through as well chosen media such as films, televisions, radio, etc. The principal media of advertising that are commonly used are discussed below. The first one is press media. It refers to the publication of the advertisement in newspapers, magazines, and journals. A large number of national, local, and state newspapers, magazines there are in which these kind of advertisements appear as it the most economical, effective, and elastic method of enlightening people. Newspaper. It is the best medium for those who desire to reach generally public quickly and at short interval. Newspaper had a wide circulation and are very effective. They are said to be the backbone of all advertising program. Magazines and journals. These are the periodical published weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly to be read is listening hours. These are various types like ordinarily magazines which are read by all classes and special magazines such as women magazine and children magazine. General are devoted to various subjects such as commerce, management, etc. Outdoor media. It refers to the display of advertisement in open places where from people generally pass through, such as a railway station, bus stands, etc. The appeal of the advertisement takes a mass from as many people move out of doors every week. Posters, painted displays, electrical arrangements, traveling displays, skywriting, sandwichmen. Postal or direct mail advertising. It is a way of transmitting information or message direct to potential customers through the medium of post. Such advertising reaches the public free of cost for them and it's generally read indoor. The important the important direct mailing media are card, sales letters, circular, calendars, booklets, etc. Other media, films. It is a very popular and consists of a wide range from ordinarily slides to short films and feature films produced for specific purpose. One finds such advertisements before the film start or in intervals. Radio. It is the cheapest and more it is the cheapest and most persuasive of all mass communication. It is even effective in rural area. Advantages of radio. It is alive and quite dramatic. It affects the mind and is more respective. It has human appeal. It requires le- it requires little efforts on the part of listeners. It provides a variety of programs that can be heard as per the needs of advertisers. Limitations. It is an expensive media of advertising. It has a temporary effects. It does not provide practical presentation. It does not suitable for all kind of product. Its message is brief and sometimes not clear. Television, latest and fastest, more effective than radio or other methods. Enough scope of variety. It is catchy. Coverage is more. Provides practical presentation. It is a very expensive. Window display. They are the face of the shop. which constitute the first impression of the establishment. They are used to attract person into the shop by using their interest. Advantages: provides actual life-size presentation of demonstration, save the time of shopkeepers, adds to the beauty of shop, it appeal at the time of purchase and has immediate effect. Interior display and showrooms. Prospective consumers have the opportunity of visiting the showrooms at their leisure and have careful glance over the item display. The success of the media depends upon suitable location and proper layout of the showroom. This helps the customers to impact and buy the goods immediately. Fairs and exhibitions. These are become more popular not only in cities but also in rural areas. These are held in a central places where mass can reach easily. The sellers are given opportunity to display the product and provide ready market. The customer study the various products and have the knowledge of market. Selecting a suitable media. Nature of product. Product needed by all. Print, telecast, outlook. Product which needs demonstration, television, cinema, screen, industrial products, print media. Nature of marketing. The market may be local or national. Local, local cable, local regional newspaper, national magazines, television, and cinemas. Circulation of media. All India newspaper have wide circulation so as advertisement of a national market can be better suited in news media. National market covered by certain magazines. Television can also be used for advertising mass products. Types of audience. If audience is Types of audience. If audience is illiterate, radio, television, and cinema. If audience is educate, newspaper and magazines. Advertisement is the language of particular reasons will be more effective. Advertising objectives. The objective will influence the types of media to be used. If national market is to be covered, television will be useful. If regional markets need to be covered, newspaper will be helpful. Life of advertisements. The life of advertisements in newspaper, television, and radio is short, whereas the impact of outdoor display, magazines, or direct mail may be longer. The advertiser should take into account the duration for which he wants to create an impact on consumers' mind. Media used by competitor. An advertiser should carefully study the moves of competitors. Media used by competitors should be used if same type of products are to be advertised so that the customers may be distract from the influence of early advertisements. Thank you.